Welcome to Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I'll show you how I make fresh cranberries and apples sauce. Perfect addition for Thanksgiving dinner, and I hope you enjoy. For cranberry sauce with caramel and cinnamon, I need fresh cranberries, 24 ounces, 640 grams, 2 apples, lemon zest, 1 cup of sugar, I use the cane sugar, 1 cup of orange juice, and 1/4 of teaspoon of cinnamon. And let's go start it. Wow, the apple smells so nice. We just got fresh apples from beautiful orchard in North Carolina. Looks nice, very nice. Fresh apples I cut in small dices. First step, I will make caramel. 1 cup of sugar. The stove I turn on high heat. I can see sugar change and it's liquidy. See, and our caramel is very light brown. A little bit cinnamon. I will change to medium high. A little bit too hot. I don't want to overburn. Be careful. Now I'm adding cranberry and the juice, orange juice, and now will be very quick process. We take 20 to 30 minutes and the sauce will be done. And now I'm adding apples. The last part I will add lemon zest. They give me extra flavor. That will be very delicious cranberry sauce for my Thanksgiving dinner. It's not complicated recipe, very simple. You can hear or see the bubbles, and cranberries start popping. I see lots of bubbles. The cranberry pop. I love the sound of popping cranberry. Yummy. I can smell apples. I can smell cranberries. The cranberry sauce is much thicker. You can see. Now looks like cranberry sauce is pretty thick. The cranberry sauce is almost done. Let me try. Wow, so delicious. Caramel and a little bit of cinnamon. It tastes so good. It will be absolutely fantastic addition. Very tasty. How thick is the sauce? I think so. It's enough. The cranberry sauce is done. beautiful fruits, apples and cranberry. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.